Previously, we have unboxed Demon Slayer by Funko. Watch episode 1 to find out if we get the Funko Glow in the Dark Chase and Funko Flock Chase. Demon Slayer by Good Smile Company. Unboxing 6 blind boxes in episode 2. Welcome to episode 3, unboxing Demon Slayer by TAKARA Tomy Tomica. Volume 1, 5 models. Volume 2, 5 models. Volume 3, 4 models. Let's start with Volume 1, Model 1, Tanjiro Kamado. The car doors can be opened. Toyota 86. Unbox Volume 1, Model 2, Nezuko Kamado. 2 car doors can be opened. Subaru BRZ. Next, Volume 1, Model 3, Zenitsu Agatsuma. The hatchback rear door can be opened. Nissan Leaf. Volume 1, Model 4, Inosuke Hashibira. Subaru Forester. Completed unboxing Volume 1, Model 5, Kanao Tsuyuri. Coming up, we'll be unboxing Volume 2 and Volume 3. It's amazing that the food truck concession window can be opened. Subaru Samba. Please smash the like and subscribe button if you like the unboxing we shared. Unboxing Volume 2, 5 models. Let's continue with Volume 2, Model 6, Giyu Tomioka. Toyota GR Supra. Next, Volume 2, Model 7, Shinobu Kocho. The bonnet can open and close. Fuji, Subaru 360. Unboxing Volume 2, Model 8, Kyojuro Rengoku. Nissan GTR Nismo 2020. Next, Volume 2, Model 9, Muichiro Tokito. Suzuki Spacia Gear. The last car to unbox in Volume 2, Model 10, Gyomei Himejima. The car doors can be opened. Toyota Land Cruiser JAF Road Service Car. Before we move on to unbox Tomica Demon Slayer Volume 3, please smash the like and subscribe button. Unboxing Volume 3, 4 models. Volume 3, Model 11, Sanemi Shinazugawa. Honda Civic Type R. Volume 3, Model 12, Mitsuri Kanroji. Nissan Fairlady Z 2009. Unboxing Volume 3, Model 13, Obanai Iguro. Mitsuoka Orochi. Snake design printed on the door. Last car to unbox, Volume 3, Model 14, Tengen Uzui. Toyota Crown. The front windshield has his symbol design. Volume 3, 4 models. Which Tomica Demon Slayer car do you like the most? Leave in the comment below, we love to hear from you. Remember to smash subscribe now so that you don't miss the next Demon Slayer unboxing video. Till then, happy toy collecting.